Hi guys, I'm Aditya Jiva. Welcome back to my channel Aditya's Maths Vlog. If you're first time seeing my video, subscribe my channel and like my video. So we can head to the video. Today we are going to learn about CBSE 4th Standard Chapter 2, that is long and short. First I will tell you a story about a long line and a short line. Once Akbar told to his court people to make a line short without erasing it. And Akbar drew a long line. Everybody was confused, but Birbal was not confused. And he told to Akbar that I know how to do it. And he drew a long line below the line which Akbar drew. And he told, see your majesty, this line is shorter now. Then Birbal told, your majesty, the line is now shorter without erasing. We can take this as an example here. Like Akbar drew a line here. We cannot erase it. And Birbal drew a long line below it. So now this line is more shorter than this. We can look the measurement of these two pencils. This pencil is approximate 19 centimeter. And this pencil is approximately 9 centimeters. Which you think is the longest one? Yeah, it is the yellow pencil. Now we can look how much centimeter is this yellow pencil greater than this orange pencil. So the yellow pencil is 19 centimeter and this orange pencil is 9 centimeter. So in order to find how much is this greater than this, we have to subtract them. That is 19 minus 9. So we can do the subtraction here. 19 minus 9. Okay. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 1 below 1 there is no number. So the answer will be 1 itself. So the answer is 10 centimeter. Now we can find the height of this year's and last year's, how much you have grown. Like mine this year it is 164 centimeter. Last year it was 150 centimeter. So in order to find how much centimeter I have grown, I have to subtract these numbers. That is 164 minus 150. So we can do the subtraction here. 164 minus 150. So 4 minus 0 is 4 itself. 6 minus 5, it is 1. And 1 minus 1, it is 0. So the answer is 4, that is 14 centimeter. So I have grown 14 centimeter 1 year. We should not write the 0 in the first place because if we write itself, it will not be count. Now take your last year's height and this year's height and subtract it. When you subtract, you can find how much centimeter or inches you have grown. Now we can learn the basic units used for finding long and short distances. First, I told you about centimeter, then meter, then kilometer. A kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. A meter is equal to 100 centimeter. A centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So you keep all this in your mind. So the short form of centimeter is cm, the short form of meter is m, and the short form of kilometer is km. The short form of millimeter is mm. So a question is asked, like Ram and Dev were having a long jump competition. Ram jumped 6 meters and Dev jumped 8 meters. So who do you think is the greatest? It is Dev. Dev jumped 8 meters but Ram just jumped 6 meters. If you look how is the difference, we have to subtract these both numbers. That is 8 meter and 6 meter. If we subtract, 8 minus 6 is 2. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. That is 2 meters. So they jumped 2 meters ahead than Ram. Now we can learn how to write the word problem pattern. Like a question is asked here. Find the difference between a 2-storied building and a 1-storied building. 2-storied building is maximum 12 meters and the 1-storied building is maximum 5 to 6 meters. So here the 2-storied building is 12 meters and the 1-storied building is 5 meters. Now we can write in the word problem pattern. Step 1. We have to write the height of 2-storied building. The 2-storied building height is equal to 12 meter. The next step we have to write about the 1-storied building. The height of 1-storied building is equal to 5 meter. These are the two steps we have to do first. That is, first we have to take the height of a 2-storied building, then we have to take the height of the 1-storied building. Is equal to 12 meter minus 5 meter. So the 12 meter is the height of the 2-storied building and 5 meter is the height of the 1-storied building. So in order to find the difference, we have to subtract it. 12 minus 5, that is 2 minus 5 we cannot do. So we have to take a carryover from this. 1 will be 0 and 2 will be 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So the difference between these two buildings is 7 meter. Now a question is asked. Gopi have to cross 5 meter pond and 100 meter field to reach his school. So what is the distance between his house and the school? Last time I told to do subtraction. Now what do you think we should do to find the distance between his house and his school? Yeah, it is addition. So the simple method to find if it is an addition or a subtraction is, if a difference comes, it's like find the difference between two things, that is subtraction, and find the distance between two things, that is addition. Now we can do the word problem pattern. Step 1. The distance of the pond. So I told you in the question that he has to cover 5 meters across the pond. So the distance of the pond will be 5 meters. Now step 2. The distance of the field. I told you the field's distance is 100 meter. So the distance of the pond is 5 meter and the distance of the field is 100 meter. Now we can write the step 3. The distance between Gopi's house and his school, that is equal to 100 meter plus 5. We have to do addition here because we have to find the distance between his house and the school. So we have to add it. 100 plus 5, that is equal to 0 plus 5 is 5, and between these two numbers there is nothing coming here. So we have to write that they both number down, and the answer is 105 meter. So the distance between his home and his school is 105 meters. So this is all for your chapter 2, long and short. If you're first time watching my channel, just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Even support me by smashing the like button. If you have any doubt, just comment it in the comment box. Thank you.